Hello guys, hello, good morning to you, Ma'am Castillas. So this is it, Pansit, my motto in life. My personal motto in life is the broken line of all motto history. And this is the motto, try and try until you succeed. So this is the broken line of motto, but this is the reality and exposure that will happen in my life.
E aí, coceira? Solta o ponto, Vitor. Alô, Berê, tá me ouvindo?
Hello guys, always be happy. So my ambition in life guys is to have a big and happy family. But I know that I have a doubtful for this kind of my ambition because I know in my reality life that since I am 5 years old, I have a broken family. Then I have a problem in my own to have children because I cannot produce my own children because I have a risk problem in my womb. But never mind that guys, I am happy for what I have now. So my outlook of my life is to continue and to proceed my professional now as a midwife because I want or I hope that I wish that I will be a midwife someday. Hello guys, welcome back. So my expectation of this subject guys is all about the reading comprehension through our Philippine history and what are the struggle experience to all our national heroes before they were died, and also the true presence of our national independence from the terrorist invader since from our ancestors, and also the topic to tackle about our own natural resources and national culture to be proud of as a Filipino citizens. And that's all. Thank you.